the fan is pretty dirty. We should clean that out. Well, what we are going to observe here is that the igniter comes on, the flame comes on, and goes right out. So that's a symptom of the flame sensor being dirty. So I'm going to pull the flame sensor and check that. We'll check the voltage on it, see if it's low, see if it's dirty, clean it, see if we get the voltage up to the right speed. So we're going to check all that right now, but first just to demonstrate what we have right now. Okay, there goes the igniter. Everything's working up to the point of that. Flame sensor's right here. Can't really see the condition of it from here. We'll just watch what it does. Okay, puts on, burns on. There it goes, and it cuts right back off. Okay, so that's a great symptom of that flame sensor. All right, so we hook one side of the meter to the feed cable of the flame sensor and the other side there, and we're going to measure milliamps. What we're looking for is 3. I suspect it's probably be like 1 or something. So let's kick it back on, and we'll just kind of see what we come up with here. So far we're reading 0 milliamps, which is normal. You won't see it generate anything until the flame is actually on it. Alright, let's get that back on there. Alright. Just waiting for the igniter. Here it comes. Gas hits, we'll have an idea. I want to now watch the as soon as the gas hits, we'll see it go up to whatever level it's going to go to. Okay, gas kicked on. It jumped to 1.432. It's going down. Definitely not going to run long. It's not giving it the proper signal. Yeah, we're running at 0.8. It should drop out in a second. That's definitely not enough for flame sensor voltage. Should kick off in a second now. Running at 0.8 milliamps, 0.6. I'm surprised it lasted this long. We're getting a warning already though. Yeah. That's definitely not enough to keep running though. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that and we'll replace it. So once I take it off, then it'll shut down. That's normal. Alright, we had to do a real long extension to get there. This is a real tight spot. I had to use all that to get it out of. Okay, then that's to get to it, and oh yeah, that's dirty. It's in bad shape. It might even be done. I don't know. Let's see. We're gonna clean it and see what happens though first. Went ahead and pulled it and cleaned it up. Got it real shiny again. It was real pretty bad shape looking. So put it back in. We got it on the meter again. Alright. Reading 0, of course. Okay, till we get to the igniter. It's going to confirm that it works. Goes the igniter now. Okay. Waiting for the burner, and getting ready to ignite. Let's see what we get. Okay, there it goes. That's what we want to see. 2.8. Come on, beat up. Give me some more. I want to see it make it at least 3 if possible. Definitely improved a lot. 2.8. 2.8 is about the bare minimum that we wanted. It can run with that. There we go. 3. That'll work. If I can keep it at 3 or more, it's going to be fine. There's running. Yep. I think we're good to go. As long as it can stay around 3, it'll stay running. And it's at 3 now. Yeah, there we go. That's what we need to see. It'll run. Alright. Disconnect it. Alright, so another thing to note is the filter was sitting there through. It's in bad shape. That needs to be replaced before you even run it. Let the tenants know to handle that. They're gonna grab one, so that's fine. And then this needs cleaned out too, so we'll give this a little brushing as well. So I cleaned the inducting motor out, got all the ports cleaned out. So it needed cleaned really bad. It was getting clogged up. And I just wiped the burners down too as well. Definitely need to get that filter in there, but we'll go ahead and test the run, let it run for a minute just to show that it works. Alright, so we turned it on just to show that it works and we have no error codes or anything. And then I'll put this back on. They need to get a filter in there ASAP. Here we go. Yeah, it's fixed. I just want to show you. See that filter over there though? That's done. Yeah, that's how it looked coming out. Tore up. Yeah, you gotta get, that's gonna make it overheat and bad for your air, so you want it. There we go. Got the lamp on. It's gonna be running. All those air coils and all plastic. Before you see the orange flame light, it was like flickering because of the flame sensor. Now the blower should come on. It never would get to the blower stage. And there it goes. So we've passed all stages. It's now running correctly. Alright, so 15 minutes later, coming back to look at the furnace. It's been running steady, still running good. So that is resolved.